Here. Right in the ball. What's the ball?
Playing way up in the air.
They no praying, honey.
Yep, way over there. He spots them.
Oh, he see that.
Yeah,
Oh,
he
it's
does.
a praying.
Here,
Yeah.
Landon.
Catch the ball.
Yoo-hoo.
Mommy.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yay! Landon catch it.
Yeah, I see it now. Okay, now you hit the ball. Oh, you hit it with the bat. Put the ball back on the tee. I see.
I see a pig.
What do you see?
I see a pig.
You see it playing? I hear it. Yeah.
There it goes.
There it goes. Okay, you got to play ball now.
It's a pig.
Okay. Woo! That's good, Landon.
What?
Oh no, the bat don't go in there. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
It's on the...
Go. Throw, honey. Go. Okay. Take that out. Take that out. Take the bags out and you put the
You got
ball
him
in
confused, honey, so let him... Do what you do. Oh, there's a truck.
There. Oh, I take it out. Ah, who coming? Ah, who coming? Who coming? The mommy. Mommy, daddy. Mommy. We have fun.
Okay, we playing ball outside.
Yeah, he hit it.
Yeah, now he's got his different thing. He likes to stick the bat in and then he wants to throw the ball over it.
Ah, look at the ball. There's a mommy, daddy home.
Show mommy.
Baseball.
Show mommy what you do. Whee!
Here you go, Landon.
Get it up here, Landon.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Go ahead.
Okay, honey.
Put the ball up there. Show
Put
that.
the
Let
ball so mommy, daddy.
show. Let daddy hit the ball.
Landon, put it up here.
Yep. We would play outside.
I hit the ball. He runs and go gets the ball.
Mommy.
Now he wants.
You put it here.
Put it here, Landon.
Put it there. Go ahead. Yeah. Let
Then
that.
what do you do?
Daddy hits it. Watch daddy hit. Woo! Go run, Landon. Go get the ball.
Berkeley wants
That's all right.
Hey, Berkeley.
That's all right. It's,
That's a Landon ball.
Landon's ball. He'll go around. We already gone through those issues. That.
Watch the ball, Landon. Landon, yoo-hoo. Landon, yoo-hoo. This is mommy.